6 terrifying planets you didn't know actually existed. Gliese 1214b. At first glance, Gliese 1214b might not appear to be all that horrible. It is a water-rich planet that is the size of Super-Earth. What might go wrong? Evidently, things can go very wrong. Have you ever truly imagined how it would feel to be roasted alive? You'd have a decent response if you landed on this planet. Although Gliese 1214b contains a lot of water, it is not the kind of water you should be drinking. This planet not only features bone-crushing pressures and sweltering heat, but it also contains a harmful, dense ocean at the base of its atmosphere. The planet is literally a giant egg cooker. HD 80606b. HD 80606b is a gas giant and an eccentric Jupiter planet. The vast majority of discovered extrasolar planets are gas giants the size of Jupiter or even larger. HD 80606b is notable for its hellish surface, as well as harsh temperatures. In just 6 hours, the temperature rises from 800 K, 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, 500 degrees Celsius, to 1500 K, 2200 degrees Fahrenheit, 1200 degrees Celsius. The planet has an enigmatic hot spot, which means it is actually cooler during the day than at night. Temperatures exceed 1500 K, 2200 degrees Fahrenheit, 1200 degrees Celsius, at sunrise, sunset, and at night. This hot spot is thought to be caused by extreme winds blowing like a blowtorch around the planet away from its star. So, unless you enjoy getting your Halloween costume wet while swimming through harmful gases in freezing temperatures, you should avoid this extrasolar planet this Halloween season. Kepler-78b. One of the very similar Earth-like planets ever found is Kepler-78b. It's a terrestrial planet with a mass akin to Earth, and it probably has an iron core, too. Additionally, it is almost the same size as Earth. Kepler-78b, though Earth-sized, is a scorchingly hot world with temperatures that soar to 2330 K, 2056 degrees Celsius, 3734 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists don't believe these planets should even exist, and the planet has surprised them all. It's interesting to note that this occurrence is not explained by any known kind of planetary evolution. Jupiter. Jupiter might not appear like a very frightening planet. But when you actually stop to think about it, it's obviously not somewhere you want to be headed. Things wouldn't go so well if you somehow made it to the planet. You will first experience a temperature of 165 K, -162 F, -108 C. In addition, the gases would surround you with lethal radiation. Then, gravity would gradually crush each bone in your body. Then, to top it off, your head would physically burst up from the strain. Since the planet doesn't have a solid surface, you would fall for all eternity, even if it had gravity, mass, temperature, and other characteristics similar to Earth. So, if you want to trick or treat on Jupiter, you might want to rethink that. 55 Cancri e. This is a diamond planet. For one thing, they are extremely valuable. You may or may not really be able to make a pickaxe out of two. But you'll have to look elsewhere because 55 Cancri e is not on your side. To begin with, it is a carbon planet, which means that its atmosphere is mostly composed of, you guessed it, carbon, and it is oxygen deficient. Furthermore, the planet uses. This planet's surface temperature is estimated to be 2922 K, 4800 degrees Fahrenheit, 2648 degrees Celsius, due to its close orbit to its host star. So, unless you're a daring adventurer who thrives in extreme heat, craves Zeus, and believes oxygen is for wimps, you'll have to stick to mining diamonds on Earth. Corot 2b. It's a gas giant-like planet that we all pity. Hopefully, there was no life on this planet. The planet orbits its star so incredibly close that scientists and astronomers believe 5 million tons of material is being stripped from it every second. If you land on this planet, you might be sucked away from the star while being exposed to extreme radiation from both the planet's resources and the star itself. If that isn't a tragic end, we're not sure what is.